Yo, gang. Move the camera. Right. Let me see me. Ah! Oh, I have to be like. Ooh. 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 Hold up. I can just dip in and out. Let me move it that and then do that maybe. I'm really not in it. Technical difficulties. Bear with us. I need like a wider lens camera. I don't know. Anyways, how is everybody doing? I just caught the maddest trade of my whole life. Yeah, so. And now I'm looking for shorts. Good morning, my people. Right, I'm just gonna do my analysis real quick and then I'll actually chat to everybody because I am looking for some shorts around this area. I don't want to miss them, so you know, do what you gotta do. Let's project all of these Fibonacci's. Oh wow, this is clean. If we can get to candles. Very nice. Okay, I like this so far. Do that. Please, manipulation. Let's do that. We have that rejection zone and we have rejection zone. Low-key quite clean if we get a rejection. Not gonna lie, I would be looking for sure. What are we in terms of bearish leg? Claudia Trades wants shorts. Claudia Trades wants the shorts.
What the fuck, man? Trade does not want me to have the shorts. I repeat.
Damn. The trade I took was taken on an eval, but because I wanted to trade ES because I knew ES was stronger, and I'm happy I did because as you can see I would have like got probably stopped in profit. But because I got filled in such a good spot, I ended up risking like hardly anything because it only lets me trade 10 micro ES contracts, or 10 micros in general on my funded. Because I think you have to like get a few payouts before you can scale up. So I risked the max number of micros. Obviously, if I knew that I was going to get filled in that spot, I would have risked minis, but I didn't know. So I risked micros and ended up getting a really good fill and then ended up getting really good risk reward. But yeah, so I did take it on a funded though. It was on an alpha funded. It was in drawdown, so now it's back in profit, which is nice. But yeah, I'm just like happy with the execution, to be fair. It's really sad that I didn't take that trade on my non-consistency funded because that would have been absolutely fire, but that is like the best trade I've ever taken in my life, so I'm just happy with it. Whether like no matter what account it was on, I would have been super happy with it, to be honest. So yeah.
Get tell him again.
Tell him again. Oh, we got this rejection on it. Can you take it on NQ, do you think?
Wait, what the fuck's that on?
Oh, that. And then we have these fibs on ES as well, which I think are pretty clean, but NQ is way more bearish, and we got nice fibs, so I think it just makes sense. Right, if we can get another bearish candle, I want to take the short. If I catch the shorts and the longs, then this will be a goated day. But I'm not gonna not going to put too much pressure. I haven't even been reading the chart, I'm not gonna lie. I'm locked in right now because we might get a trade. If this candle closes bearish, I'm gonna take this trade. We got SMT, Got rejection out of 2 fibs. Yeah, well, that was pretty nice. Just need one more candle. One more candle.
Are we doing 0.5 right now? Oh yeah, that's nice right now. Come back up.
I'll probably do. See how big the stop loss is. Yeah, I'll be happy to do 0.5 on this one. Stop loss. Let me just check on the right account. Yep, we good. No. Ah. Oh, limit.
Oh shit. Okay.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, fine. Go without this then. No worries.
All right.
618 is on our
Yeah.
way.
1-8 is the move. Oh. Do 7. See if we can get a 6-1-8 fill. Right here, we got lots of low resistance. Sell side. On NQ. Target. Oh, sorry. I will go live on Discord. I promise. Let me do that right now. Okay, let me do that. Quick. Start the stage. Live trading.
Oh shit, that's mine.
Okay, there we go. Do 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 do. Come on, fill my 0.618, please, I beg. There we go. All right, we're filled. This is really clean. I'm really happy with this trade, no matter the outcome. This looks really nice. This looks really, really nice. I'm very happy. I ended up not copy trading my funded accounts this morning because I don't usually trade London sessions. So I was like, you know what, I'll trade one of them so that I can still get a trade in pre-market, which is my usual vibe. So if this doesn't hit, I'm going to be kind of sad because like I low-key could have copy traded my accounts from this morning and hit that really nice trade. But, you know, I'm not going to be mad about this trade at all. This is very A+. For sure. So we'll see whether it wants to hold the S&T and run for this low resistance sell side or not. I think definitely it has a good chance of doing. For sure. It feels a little weird shorting after I've been in longs for like 3 hours. But, you know, we'll see how it goes. We do have a wickless candle here, so I'm not mad if we come up and, you know, take that. ES has just come up to 0.618 as well. No. Yeah. Let's see what it wants to do. Oh, no, I did not mean to do that. OTE. I wonder whether that was like news or whether it's just random volatility. Juice. No, there's nothing so far. So far, so good. Hey guys, I'm gonna be replying to the chat in a little while. I'm just a little bit locked in right now. Oh no, I definitely don't want to short 7 more micros. Definitely not. Why are you trading before the news? The chop is insane. You want to know the trade I just took, buddy? You want to know the trade I just took? Do ya?
Do you wanna see it?
Do you want to see it? I just took this trade. Hold on, let me get it up. I sent it into my Discord community. I just took this trade right here this morning from 3 a.m. I love trading this time. It's pretty goated. ES is definitely looking a little bit weaker, which is not the best sign. but
If we go, we go.
if we go, we go. If we don't, then, you know, we journal and we move on. I don't think there'd be a lot to journal from this. It would just be like, yeah, shit's peak. So that's about it. That is all I would have to say about this. This is really nice. I like this. Fully flexed on. I know. How I felt saying that with that, like, big, muscly dog gif. Here our break-even's gonna be on this. Break-even's gonna be right there. Get down there, that would be great. She has composure. Already controlled you. I'm running in circles. I have Melina Bomba. I did have struggles. I did manage to get one though. I'm only trading one funded account right now. I need to copy trade, but I traded basically because I took a trade in London this morning. I still wanted to trade up my funded accounts because it looked nice. It ended up being the best trade I've ever taken in my whole life. But I didn't copy trade it because I was like, I still want to have an opportunity to trade in pre-market because I'm not that used to trading London session. So I didn't copy trade. So right now I'm trading a Lucid funded. But this morning I was trading an Alpha funded account, which was in drawdown, so now it's back in profit, which is nice.
Let's go, champ.
This is on the non-consistency funded. The 11R trade I took, of course, was on the consistency funded. That just would be the way it was. Of course. I don't like that we're just making loads of pies, equal highs. Like, that's not amazing, is it? My opinion on Top Step? I don't really know. I've never really traded with Top Step. I think people are still getting payouts from them, though. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like them not paying out, like, they would go broke if they did that. Like, no one would buy from them. Why Hannah hiding and doom scrolling?
Sorry, I'm not. Hello.
She's not doom scrolling. It's just hard to get us both in the camera, to be honest. Without us both leaning in. Oh, ES looks so much nicer. Why is it always the stronger asset looks nicer? Like, why is that the case? Right here. Oh, don't put in equal highs. That is just so not the vibe. Bastard. Ain't looking good. Really ain't looking good. It took me no, not 2 days actually. I don't know. I managed to pass the account like in 2 consecutive winning days because I just risked like $1,000 and made 1.5k each day. But right, that SMT needs to hold, otherwise we're fucked. I'll explain why I took the trade once we're out. Or once we're at break even. I can't really talk while I'm watching a trade. I'm too emotional. Something I'm starting to notice is no matter the strength of the asset, whichever one has cleaner fibs will have the nicer setup. Like, look at ES right now. We need like an inversion fair value gap right now, don't we? We need an inversion. Give us an inversion. Please, the SMT needs to hold, otherwise we are actually really cooked. SMT save our ass. Please. Pretty please. Pretty please. Pretty please. Ah! Yeah, I think we're fucked. We're fucked. Yeah, we're fucked. Damn! I really like that setup, I'm not gonna lie.
What the hell?
I'm really sad about that. I thought that was clean. If ES holds now, I'm gonna be really pissed. Oh, I really like had good confidence in that. Really sad. I want to see if ES holds. If it does, then I'm just gonna rage quit. Okay. Yes, it's not holding either. I thought that was gonna go, you know. I really did. I really did. I use 3 different indicators. I use an S&T indicator. I use a ICT kill zones and pivots indicator, which is this that shows like the session. And then I use an equal highs and lows indicator. I don't use either of them. Damn. That's so rough. Okay, well, no worries. Let me just screenshot this so I can journal the trade. Oh. Put that into TradeZilla. Oh, that's so sad. I had some confidence behind that. Let me go back to ES. Oh, this goes now. I'm gonna be hella sad. The reason for my trade is NQ. We have these 2.5s here. You can see this is from a. Oh, wait, I might be an idiot. Yeah, I am an idiot. I literally drew that incorrectly. Oh my god. I'm actually an idiot. I drew this incorrect. Oh no! I drew my manipulation leg to this candle. And it should have been that candle. Okay, wow, I'm an idiot. So that means we only had 1 fib for a confluence, which is really just not ideal. Damn, that's so stupid. I don't know why I did that. I really didn't mean to do that.
Well, I didn't notice that.
Okay, well, that's just really great. I didn't really realize that I did that. So now it makes sense that it didn't go because I drew my fibs wrong. We only had 1 fib for a confluence, which is obviously not ideal. So, okay, let's draw a new rejection zone. And we can hop on an eval. What's this? This eval's in heavy drawdown. We can full pot this or some shit. Damn, that's so silly of me. I mean, ES did have confluences, but yeah, NQ did not. Damn, that's hella sad. That's hella sad. Okay. Well, that makes sense then. That's kind of made me happy because I was literally like, why did that not play out? But now it makes sense why it did not play out. Because I just drew my fibs wrong. I'm an idiot. So that's that. Did you have fibs?
Yeah, I had the ones you had. Then I had this other fib. This one. Oh, it's because I'm on my rose. And it was like with the box at the top. I think it was just this one here. And I was like, oh, if you've got that one, I'll team it. But obviously.
Lovely, feeling lovely. Na, na, na.
Telling fibs.
Literally telling fibs.
Telling fibs.
Damn. People who say shit like this shit is clear as day. It's just silly. It's really silly. Even like a millionaire trader wouldn't say that. Never ever. Ah. Just I wanna be with you, eh? I wanna be with you, eh? I wanna be with, I'm on a way, na 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 na. Oh, so good. I know, I'm knackered. The energy's gonna be low. I'm sorry. I need to pin the Discord in the chat. Let me see. Alan has defo sent it somewhere. There we go. Pinned it. Okay, well, I'm not too mad about that loss. That was just a mistake. I'm never hard on myself really about mistakes because they just happen and they're just part of the process. Like, yeah. That's just that. And that is why this did not play out. Oh, I already took... Oh, I did this morning. When I was trying to catch the longs this morning, I took longs on this eval and ended up getting...
Who did you?
I did.
Oh, damn.
That is why she's in drawdown. We're gonna bring it back. Hey, I'm good. How are you? I took shorts, but I drew my fibs wrong. So, yeah. That is that. Let me put NQ on this side. I'm struggling with my widescreen on stream because obviously I can't fit the whole screen onto the YouTube thing. That's a 2.5. That's a 2.5 on
Fibs, man.
This is a 4. Where's this 4?
What is that rejecting out of?
I don't know. Oh, okay. Okay, so here I've projected the order block, the manipulation leg. And it lines up pretty nicely. This is the order block we have. And we have this 4 and this -2.5, and we have this 2.5. So I'm expecting us to come up into here and reject, and if we do, then I'm gonna full put my eval. Click F11. Okay. No, I know I'm full screen, but like on OBS, like you can't see my whole screen. Like my mouse goes way further than this. You know, like I just can't fit the whole screen on because of my widescreen. I'm gonna have to change my layout. Oh, that's a nice projection. This is very good. I like it. We can get some ES fibs. Okay. We have a -2.5 right there. What else we got? What else we got? Nothing from there. She has composure. Alright, we got 2.5s. NQ's definitely cleaner, which would make sense because it's more bearish. Oh, that's what we want to see. Alright, I'm full potting my eval. This is gonna be fire. I'm gonna wait for 2 bearish candles and then I'm gonna get in, and this is gonna be so fire.
I either want to below this.
What profit are you on?
No profit.
No, like what balance you have?
Bruv. What is wrong with my devices? I'm getting angry.
Greetings from Brazil. Hey, Claudia flexing the new setup. I know, right? Yeah, right. So you got. I'll just risk 700 on the next trade.
If we little bit.
Yeah. Exactly. But she has composure. Is this gonna close? Bearish. Are we gonna close bearish? Yeah, but it just has to be bearish. As long as it's not like a doji candle, I don't mind. I'll still take it. It's only an eval. Right. That is not a bearish candle. Literally not a bearish candle, so I'm away. I'm always on the pre-market trades because I trade pre-market. That is just the way it is.
The way the cookie crumbles.
Exactly. Exactly. I'm running in circles. Right, this is not do not my bar actually. Yes, looks like
I'm just gonna sit. I don't think we're gonna get anything right now.
Oh. Yeah. There it goes. Right, this is not respecting my zone.
Not at all.
Okay, this is definitely coming for London High. For real. Real talk. Real talk, this shit is coming for London High.
The negative force and a 3-day open is close.
Yes. Okay, we got... Alright, fuck this. Yeah, fuck this. This is not clean anymore. Alright. We are gonna come for London High and NQ. Which is fine. No worries. No worries about that. No worries about that.
Yes.
That's high key clean. He's long.
Yeah, to be fair. Yeah.
Oh, that's clean. Wow. You ever trade ES during New York session? I don't really trade after 9:30 that often. I do on the odd occasion, but not that often. It's too crazy. I don't like it. At this time, it's way more chill, and I can like keep my cortisol at an okay level, and I can vibe, and I can sing, and I can dance, and yeah.
Live, laugh, love, free market.
Live, laugh, love, free market. I can't believe I drew my fib wrong and ended up taking a trade.
I can't believe I didn't notice.
Yeah.
That's probably worse. I'm not gonna lie. What's wrong with me right now? I'm not really good.
I'm hella tired. I'm hella tired. She has composure, already controlled ya. I need to lock the fuck in. What do you mean you need to lock the fuck in? In what way?
In many ways, dog.
Bro's crashing out.
I'm not reaching my true potential.
I am gonna change my stream template, man. Just bear with me. Got a lot going on. I had to hit an 11-hour trade. Like, I was busy. I was actually gonna do it before the stream, but I was just in a trade for like 3 hours. So I am gonna do it. And I'm sorry. If you want to join and see the screen clearly, just join my Discord. It's linked in the chat. It's free. Hannah's on tilt.
I just want this fucking eval out my face. I hate it.
What do you
I
mean?
don't know. So much in drawdown. I can't ask for it anymore.
Yeah, but like you have to deep right. If you risk 500 on a trade and you can only make 1,500. You make 1,500. Even if you did that now with the position of your account, you're back in profit. Like you're up $200.
My issue is I don't. But like look. Look.
What are these?
This
What are these fibs?
here, OTE leg from the bottom that's just outside of London.
Mm-hmm.
And then look, we're getting it's only this.
Got my order block. Yeah, we got my order block.
That kind of disrespected because of the point. 0.5.
Kinda. Oh, nah.
I'm gonna mark this out though, just because. What else have I gotta do here?
Yeah. Oh, don't, oh, do, oh, do. I know you love me, I know you care, show whenever, and I'll be there. You are my love, you are my heart, and you can never, ever be apart. Go quit playing.
Just friends.
What are you saying? Running my eyes. First love for the first time, and now it's like, Oh, baby, no, like baby.
You talk like that viral British girl rants about the price of ice cream.
Price of ice cream?
Clearly not that viral because I've never seen that.
Yeah, literally knew that.
Yeah,
Like,
well,
baby.
Sorry. Here for trading. Well, come to the wrong place.
What are you here for trading?
I've got something to tell you.
I don't know about that. I don't know about all of that.
Today is Hannah's gonna crash out the whole stream.
Hannah's high key crashing out, guys. What should I do? Should I rage bait or should I comfort?
Oh god. I might start crying. The OT pivot is too long to the pullback of the first.
Oh, order block, order filled. Order filled. Oh, I've drawn it wrong.
What the fuck do you mean, dog?
2-minute order block.
What are we saying about this little OT fib? Is that not in? Because then, like, got the -4 here.
What are you talking about, dog?
We've got this little move here. No?
Yeah.
And then we've got a second fib.
We got that one as well. I don't know, I'm gonna have both of them up. I don't know. TBH. I'd rather find good fibs on ES. Yeah. Like, it makes more sense in my head.
Why?
In my head. Don't know why. I don't know why.
Got an attachment to ES after this morning. That's why.
I'm not. It just makes more sense right now because ES is more bullish, so I want to see it respect bullish fibs. I don't know. In my head, that makes a lot of sense. On paper, doesn't make that much sense. I'll be real.
Yeah, it doesn't. I can't lie, but like, I trust you.
See, look at this little zone that I've got up here. We've got some fours going on. Very nice. I want to see us reject out of there. Me personally, I'd want to see us reject out of there.
Well, personally, I don't know right now. Me personally, just pressure. Where did that 4 come from?
Are you a 90s kid? I'm not a 90s kid. Draw the OT manipulation fib on the 1 minute time frame. I am drawing them on the 1 minute time frame. I'm drawing order block projections on the 2 minute time frame. Dog. Yo, dog. Yo, dog.
I feel like this. You want my heart. And never, ever be apart. We are an item. Which playing? We are just friends. What are you saying?
We're just friends, what are you saying?
Alan, I see you saying rage bait. Don't rage bait. I'll just sit and start sobbing.
Don't worry, horse, I got this. Got it.
We got this.
I got it, don't worry. Hey, air jab. Oh, I'm tired. Guys, I've had 2 coffees already and I could do
You've
it.
had 2?
Yeah, I had one at like 7 o'clock.
I have to go get it.
What is going on?
Why Nottingham?
University's expecting me back. That's so joke.
Oh.
Yeah, that won't be happening, by the way.
No.
Are we dead ass? I've got streaming to do.
Hey guys, so just to let you know that like I won't be streaming anymore. I really want to go finish my degree.
Yeah.
And I honestly can't wait. So I'll see you in 3 years' time when I finally finish my degree in rocket science. And then, yeah.
I hear that. I hear that.
How did you get kicked out of uni? What did you do?
My face is so itchy. It's the trees. They're getting to me.
My granny's favourite saying.
%attendance. What does that mean? Oh, for uni. We've got less than 12% attendance on the stream today. Nah, jokes. We don't. We've got like 20% of like our biggest day, I feel. But it's because I've been away, so everyone hates me now. But it's fine. I don't really care. I definitely don't care at all. So.
Alright. Okay. No.
Yeah, it's okay. It's whatever. I want us to reject out of this guy, this zone that we got going on here on ES. I want us to reject out.
Broke my heart for the first time.
And I was like, baby, 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 yeah. I need to just check the live stream to see if the charts are really blurry. Like they might be. Let me just have a look. Holy shit, they're so blurry. Guys, the chart's like hella blurry because they look really blurry on this view that I'm looking at right now. Oh, it's my new monitor. I don't know why it does that. How do I not do that? They look really blurry on this view. I don't know. Oh wait, let me put my thing in HD though. 1080p. They're still really bad even if I put my quality in HD. What if I put it in 720? No. Okay, so it is me. It is me. I am the problem. I don't know what to do.
You broke my heart.
What do I do, guys? The charts are hella blurred. I don't know what to do. Properties. Capture method.
Oh.
Oh, geez, no. No.
Oh, no. Oh, no, no, no.
Oh, it's because this is 3440 by... Oh, hold up. This might crash the whole stream, but I'll be back. Oh yeah, I literally cannot do that while I'm on stream.
I know you.
Oh. While on YouTube stream, does my video output have to be 19... 20 by 1080. That's why it's so blurry, I think. Oh, you can stream in better quality, guys. Wait, okay. Give me a sec. I'm gonna try and sort this shit out. Because I think that I can sort this out. I think I can stream in potentially higher quality. Maybe. But then my base layout is not that... is not correct. Maybe we just have no stream layout for today. I really don't know. I'm gonna just mess around. So just bear with me. Where's my... I'll never mess around because that quality is so bad. They're blurry for me when I join the stream, and they're kind of blurry. They're kind of blurry on OBS too, to be fair. Like, they don't look great. It's because my new monitor, I think, has different resolution. So I'm gonna just try and do that. So just bear with. I'll be back. Guys, is this different? What does this look like? I removed the layout for now. I'm just interested to see. Is this bad or is this good? Is this better or not? Let me know. It's too wide. Oh, I'm trying to get it to fit my screen. This is so difficult. Should I just go back to what I had before? try and figure it out off stream, which is better. Make the face cam bigger. Okay, I can do that. I just don't want it to cover loads of the chart, you know? How is this? Is this better? Or experimenting? No. Oh. Is this better, or should I change it back to how it was? Let me know. I don't know, I don't mind. I don't know what other people think. It looks good. I'm obviously gonna get a new stream layout, but I just want it to fit my screen. I don't know the best way to do it. I really don't. Yeah, I will make a new layout. I'm bottom right. Okay, I can do that. I can do that. There you go. We can make it bigger too. Boom. There we go. Is that better? I'm obviously gonna make a new layout, but just like for today, because I don't have one that fits this resolution of my monitor. Is that any better or no? I have no idea. Just because of my wide screen monitor, I think is making it bad quality. Like, is the quality of the charts any better, or does it not even make a difference? I did get a Lucid affiliate. I did indeed. The same quality. Oh. Damn, I thought that would have changed things. I don't know whether it's just like, for me, my stream looked really bad quality. I have no idea. Oh my gosh, hot goss. Yeah, must be. The quality is good. Okay, okay, cool. On phone it's watchable. Alright, let me see on my phone. I know. Okay, yeah, I see what you mean about phone. But she has composure. I get you. Hopefully it's better on PC. I'll leave it for now. I'll leave it for now and then fix it for tomorrow. Definitely. Alright, boss.
Yeah.
What's wrong? Why?
Thanks.
Hey.
Are you moving any? We're not even moving.
No, we ain't.
Where have you gone?
I moved it to the bottom right corner. Hannah go to the expo with you. She did indeed. We both went together. It was really fun.
It was good.
We met some cool people.
Yeah, we did.
So guys, if you've not seen my socials, I'm giving away all my affiliate commissions this month to charity. though, shameless plug, which is no longer shameless. If you want to get 50% off Lucid, 2 uses per person, you can use code Claudia, or just look in the chat right now. Basically all the prop firms go and they'll like have a booth and they do games and stuff so people can win free accounts, and then like the prop firm CEOs did a speech, a couple of people did like panels and speeches and like teachings, and then there was a trading competition, shit like that really. I'll pick you up when you post the moon. So if you have my love and I gave you, that's what you do the way. Still waiting for a short setup. Still waiting. Yeah, it's more of a, I would say, like, the reason why I like going is it's a good space to network. Yeah, we've got so many people. For FX replay, I actually don't know. It's gonna be anywhere between 10 and 20%. I'm fairly sure it's 15, but I'm honestly not sure. I think I've probably made $10 in FX replay commissions in my whole time. Not gonna lie. -4 from London though. Maybe. I don't know what -4 you're talking about. To be fair, I have no idea. By the way, for FX replay, if you're gonna do it, you have to follow my link as well as use my discount code, otherwise I don't get the commission. Drawing your OTE fib too long. I'm not the. This is the only OTE fib we have here. We don't have a swing high at London low on NQ anyways. Maybe we have one on yet. No, we don't. This is the only OTE fib, and that's way too long. We don't have a swing higher anywhere. That's the first swing high. But if you have my love and I gave, would you come home? Yeah, I traded London session today. I took the longs on ES. I drew it from London low to the wick of the third candle. Yeah, I can see which candle you mean, but it's not a valid OTE fib because this is not a swing high. A swing high is when you have a high of a candle, the middle candle has to be the highest high, and then you have the high of a candle, so it creates that swing. Here we have the high of the candle, then here, and then up here, so it's not a swing high. Oops. Is it my audio? It's probably my audio. I have a lot of things I need to sort out with my streams, clearly. So I have audio settings on right now. on my microphone because my PC fan is very loud, and I also have like my aircon unit next to me, which is on. So I put like noise gates and stuff on, but everyone says that it cuts off my voice sometimes. But then when I have those off, everyone's complaining at me like, oh my gosh, your audio is so bad. So yeah, I need to find a good balance, I think. Yeah, even if it rejected perfectly, it wouldn't be a valid fib for me, so I wouldn't be like interested in it, to be honest. Like maybe it's a 30-second fib. Yeah, there's a 30-second there, so that's low-key fine. I don't really use 30-second fibs, to be honest. Can you trade? Yeah, do you want me to just take a trade right now with no confluences? You away, you feel stuck. If you had my love and I gave you what's would you come for me? Yeah, I get you. That's fair enough. I just don't like using the 30-second because I already have enough fibs on my chart without that over complicating. Claudia Trading London Luna definitely corrupted you yesterday. Yeah, literally, I don't know why I decided to look at London today. I woke up at 5 a.m. this morning, so I was like, you know what, I'll have a look. And I was like, oh, we just swept Asia low. Let's see if I can find a fib. And I did find a fib. It played out really nice. With your Facebook, did you create a new account through connecting your Instagram? I think so. Great. I've seen a large increase in followers since joining PFM. Not really, to be honest. Not really. It was fun at the expo though, because obviously we were at the expo run by Prop March, so the people attending are probably like more likely to watch the PFM stream. There was a couple people who had recognized me from the stream, which was nice. But in terms of followers and stuff, I haven't gained that many from it. But I think the first time I went on, I did. But because I've been on a few times, like, you know, there's only so many. You can gain, I guess. Really bothering me that I don't have a stream overlay right now, but I'd rather you guys be able to see the full screen than me have an overlay. No affiliate codes for you guys today, you should be happy. You'll be happy to know. Too many simps. Yeah, for real. Hannah got like 10 marriage proposals. Tell Hannah to whip up a new overlay. I don't know how the hell to do that. Innit? Get your ass in Canva. Who do you think I am? You're yeah. How is the yearly backtest going? It's going okay, but like as we're going, we are like editing and changing things around and improving our model. So yesterday we spent like an hour just improving it. So now we're basically kind of starting from scratch. But it's what happens when you're gathering data and like and you actually analyze the trades you take and things. So. still doing my newsletter. Do you know what? I'm actually an idiot. So plain at like 1 a.m. I wrote out my newsletter for this week, and you've just reminded me I'm meant to send it today. I literally made the whole newsletter so that I would have one to send because I knew I'd be tired from the expo and going to London and stuff. And then I just never sent it.
Oh no.
I have the brain of a sieve. I really do have the brain of a sieve. I'm really trying my best to be more organised, but it's not going very well. But this is why I'm trying to get up at 5 a.m. because I'm way more productive in the mornings than I am in the evenings. So hopefully that will, because I was meant to send people's giveaway accounts like 2 days ago and I haven't done it, and it's not that I've like forgot, it's that like it's on my mind to do it so much that I end up not doing something, I think. I made 2 weeks worth of chili so that I would have meal prep for when I got back from Mallorca. I got back from Mallorca on the 22nd of June and I haven't eaten any of it yet.
The weather wasn't really chilly ready, I don't think.
True. What the heck are we like sorting from? I'm deleting all my fibs and seeing if I can find one.
So 2.5 there. But then it's not really enough, like, just be that, but
We have this one.
yeah.
Okay, we have that. Do we have
But
anything
then I
else?
just couldn't see anything else. And then we weren't getting the displacement candles.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's too big. Oh, we have this one also. Not the cleanest though.
no. Oh yeah, you know of what range? Someone's just said shorting from 50% of the range. I don't know what range then.
I have no idea.
Range you went to Mallorca, you never ate. No. No, you were going to actually, maybe.
I did have paella.
Oh yeah, and the rest in the hotel.
Yeah. Who said that?
This guy.
Strange you went Mallorca and you never eat paella.
Well,
Bro, what? That's such a crazy statement to make, like you have my food diary. How on earth would you possibly know whether I eat paella or not? I'm really confused by that, actually. Can we talk about that? I'm really confused. Not the cleanest. It's definitely cleaner on NQ though, to be fair. And if you took 0.618 out of here. Shorts. Boom. Probably at 3. That's nice, actually. Down. What other displacement candle? I'm just waiting for 2 bearish, remember?
oh.
This is nice. And we have double S and P. Yeah. Okay, that's very clean actually. I like it. Screenshot. Screenshot for our trading gallery.
Part of what we were saying yesterday, just do bearish candles rather than displacement.
Mm-hmm.
Bit confusing in my opinion.
We don't have to do that.
Well, no. But I'm just thinking about like when to decipher which one you do, you know? Because like you said, like earlier, it saved when you didn't do the 2 displacement.
No, I was just doing 2 candles. I wasn't doing displacement. I didn't even enter on a displacement candle because there wasn't any. Like on this trade, if on MES it looks worse, but that candle is a green candle, and then we have this green candle. So if I'd waited for the displacement candles, I would have never got an entry.
Right, I see. Oh, I literally saw that.
You got 2 here though.
Yeah, but I don't think you would have got an entry. Oh, yeah. 0.9. If somehow you knew that your love would be a true, would you turn to me? That's very nice, I like that. One for the journal. We've got Mallorca's most famous dish is ensaimada. I don't think I had that. Neither. I have no idea what that is. Either. Have to check. I don't. We might mix. Uh-oh. Oh no. I do. Anyway. I'm gonna go take my contacts out. Okay. BRB. I'm really not feeling like speaking much today, guys, so sorry. I'm not much of an entertainment person. I'm just here. Okay, there'll be another event that we'll be going to, I'm sure. I think there's another one in October, but I don't know if I don't know who's that one by. That might be by the people that did last year's. Where?
Oh, that's better.
Yeah, I'm just existing today. Just here.
Just existing.
Yeah. No thriving, no surviving, just existing.
Wow, that's deep.
Oh, what's came over me?
I think that you're not happy about you losing trade.
No, I'm not happy about the fact that I haven't had a fucking winning trade on this stupid eval.
Right.
That's
There we go.
sick of it. And then I just missed another one. I missed ones that hit, and then I take the ones that are shit. Not even shit, but you know.
No, that one was shit. I'd drawn the fib wrong.
Yeah, well, it doesn't. I don't get whatsoever. We had a brain cell between us.
Yeah, I know.
You had 60% of it. And this doesn't piss me off. Everything's pissing me off.
Yeah, but
Can you tell I'm on my period?
this trade, did you see this trade set up?
Yeah, I had all of these marked.
Well,
and
why
I was
did
like,
you take it then?
because I didn't like how this was going, and I wanted my 2 displacement candles, and I didn't see.
There is 2 though. I can see 2.
Where's 2? You're going to class that as a displacement.
No, I'm classing these 2 here.
Oh, well, those ones I didn't see. I gave up on it.
Right, gave up on it after
But then I
3
did
minutes.
say that I thought, well, maybe we'll just take London high because of all of this, and then we'll carry on lower if we didn't.
Yeah,
So
but
it's
that's not our rules. I didn't see these.
big freaking L.
I didn't see these.
I still rather be than hearing. That's not very nice.
What's your guys' beef with Luna? Why is everyone not like Luna? I love Luna. It's sweet.
Yeah, I am trading in the corner. Trading like a blind person.
Luna is cool for about 10 minutes. What's your guys' beef with Luna?
I need another coffee. Get one. You want one?
I would actually love another coffee. My 3rd of the day. I feel like that's a bit ridiculous there, but I'm actually really tired.
You got the fucking 5.
I know.
I thought my 7 a.m. was good. I literally woke up this morning, checked my phone, my message from Claudia. I got up at 5 today, like, are you proud? I'm like, oh.
Yeah, but that was after 5 hours of sleep, and I just watched a YouTube video and it motivated me, and I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna wake up at 5.
My dads are fighting again. We're not fighting.
No, this is not us fighting.
God, imagine us fighting.
You would not like to see us fight.
Are we saying physical or verbal?
No, I'm thinking the last time me and Hannah had a full verbal argument, like I feel like sometimes people on stream may think we're arguing, but British people are just blunt, and us two specifically are like very, very blunt.
Yeah.
But the last time we had a verbal argument, it was in a taxi on the way back from a night out. So, you know, obviously both quite drunk. And you know what? You know what happened?
Oh my God.
I said something in the taxi. And Hannah like imitated what I said and was like, "Hen, hen, hen." I can't remember what I said. So I went, "What did you just say like that? Raise your voice at me." And it just went off. Just went off at each other.
And fucking taxi guy was like waiting to take Claudia home.
Yeah, the taxi man was just waiting patiently for us to stop arguing so he could take me home. Like, so funny.
Oh, dude.
Claudia, where are the oats today? Overnight oats are live. Overnight oats are live. I had avocado toast this morning instead. I wanted something a bit more hearty because I've been really bad at eating food recently.
I didn't even eat dinner last night. I can't be bad.
No, I literally can't be asked to eat, like it's really bad. I feel like when I'm locked into something, like when I'm hyperfixated on something, and right now that is me perfecting this fib model, when I'm like locked in, I just forget about every other thing that needs to happen in life. Like I haven't been to the gym in 2 weeks. I'm hardly eating. Like the other day, all I had was a smoothie and my dinner. Like that's it. Like that is not like me at all. But so yeah.
You know what? Even though mine is masked by stress, like a lot of I get stressed and people focus on the fact that I get very, very, very stressed, which is valid. But like with the fixation thing, like you have a problem with that too.
No, I know.
But I'm the one that gets shit for it.
Yeah, but I feel like I can be fixated on something and still be like happy.
Yeah, I'm depressed until I feel like I've like achieved something.
And I can still like see human beings.
Yeah, when I go tunnel vision, like that tunnel's very long and dark.
Tunnel's long and dark and lonely. But I feel like I have to be fixated on something. I feel like I've been fixated on something since GCSEs. So like I don't know what I'd do without.
Yeah, true. If you felt like me, wow.
Jesus.
That'd be a long, dark depression.
That would be a long, dark depression, it really would. But yeah, I am like hella. Yeah, we both get obsessive about things, I think. Sounds like Claudia is saying you're a drag, Hannah. Yeah, sounds about right.
What the fuck? Not a drag.
I'm only joking, guys, but you should have seen her at the end of her final year of uni. She was a monster. She was a monster that you didn't want to be near.
Well, you came and welfare checked me.
I did go. I went to welfare checker at uni just to make sure that she's like, you know, showering and all those all those types of things.
Are you to be even profitable? No, which is why I'm still in my long dark depression. Have you seen me on this stream today? I'm really feeling it.
Hey guys, can you explain your strategy and what's your win rate in the last 6 months? I haven't been trading the strategy for more than a month maybe, so I can't tell you that. We're gathering data right now, so I'll keep you updated. But we basically combine session sweeps with fib projections. So we want to see a fib projection reject, like in a specific area. Like I'll draw a pink box where I want to see a specific rejection, and I usually pair that with a session sweep. So this trade right here is valid because we have this 2.5 fib projection and this 2.5 fib projection. That's why I drew the box. And then we see the rejection out of this area. And we also have S&T with this London high session sweep. So ES swept out London high and NQ did not. And then we had our 2 bearish candles. So I would have entered our OTA of this leg. If I took this trade, I did not see this trade set up, to be honest. But if I'd taken this trade, I would have had my stop loss on -3 fib projection. Taken this for our boom. Boom.
Boom, 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 I want you in my room.
How to identify when it's an S&T forming or the other asset is just catching up. This is where I like to use fib projections and bring them in here because when price is up here, you are really anticipating London high being swept. The only way that I would have known that it's not being swept is through fib projections, in my opinion, because we see the rejection out of this box that I've drawn. The heat wave is no longer, it's like 20 degrees C now, so it's back to like usual temperature. Well, not even usual temperature.
I trade hopes and dreams.
I didn't catch this move because I didn't see it. I've just seen it afterwards. I missed it. I tried to short like here and got fucked. Coming back, it is. Let me look at the weather. I'd rather it not because it gets so hot in here. It's awful. Okay, it's 25 and 27 next week. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
I am away on holiday.
Oh yeah, you are. All right for some.
Beat Riv.
All right for some, ain't it? Boom, 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 boom. Mm-mm. You don't think it's gonna take London low? Fair enough. I think we could sweep this high before taking London low. I think we will take it today, but whether we're gonna do it now or not, I am not 100% sure. I think we could come up and sweep this before wanting to sweep London London low, because I mean, no, I think this could hold to London low, to be fair. I honestly don't know. I don't know whether I'm gonna get another setup today. I feel like 11 R trade is, you know, enough. Nice again. No, unfortunately, I'm definitely not.
So I'm going away with my family. Equals free holiday.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You really can't. You really can't. 26 degrees C here in New York. Oh my gosh. I feel like being in a city when it's hot is a lot. It's very overstimulating.
Yeah.
But I want you forever. Na, 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 na. Boom, 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 boom. Want you. What you do is you draw about 12 fibs, you draw a box, and then you delete them all. Very overstimulating. This is my box on ES right now. We're not going to run to London low. I would expect this box to hold. TBH. We also have two -4s right here on thank you. And then another SMT. We have about 10 million SMTs right now. It really looks like it wants London low, I'm not gonna lie. If you wanna come and get it, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. If you're ready, if you're ready, when you're ready, come and get it, na 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 na, na 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 na. I'm loving it. You're going to Croatia? Oh, nice. I've always wanted to go to Croatia. It looks very pretty.
Very pretty.
Very pretty, indeed.
If you want it, come and get it. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Hey now, you're a rock star. Be my way. Hey now, you're a star. Get back. Da 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 da. Stars. I gained the sharpest tool in the shed. We have the consequent encroachment of the 4-hour wick right there. So we see these bodies closing below the started line, then I don't think this rejection area is going to hold, and then I think we're going to go to London low. So yeah, we have this rejection area on ES as well, which seems to be holding. Okay, if we can get a green candle on ES, on NQ, I would be looking bench for a long. Yeah, only on an eval. Only on an eval. I don't think this is respecting this that nicely, but I'm gonna look at the bodies rather than the wicks. Yeah, I don't really like that close. I don't think we're gonna respect this area, honestly. Not the cleanest in the world. We did just put in an SMT, another SMT. That's significant. Yeah, we just put an SMT in at the hourly low, so I don't mind that, actually. I don't only trade pre-market, like I traded London session today, but I usually only trade pre-market. I prefer to trade other sessions when we have 8:30 red folder though, because pre-market tends to be very slow on days where we have 8:30 red folder. We got so many SMTs. It's crazy.
I finally figured out those indicators.
Oh, great.
Good.
He looks nice on ES. High key. Low key, high key, high key.
Thank you. Oops, we got to go on this 2.5.
Yeah, I have a 4. from that OTA. NQ to have one more green candle and then I may try and take something or another.
That's kind of nice.
I want an eval, so I want to risk like decently heavy. Something like that would be fine. I think. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. Okay.
We're just going.
Where I'm going. Oh, I can't do 5 minis. Oh, damn it. Alright, well, what can I do? 3? Oh no, I think I can do 4. Oh, that's rubbish. I know where I want my stop loss to be. I think below the midpoint of my zone. Okay. Do that.
Where the fuck? Come down.
Damn it, I should have put my limit there. That's so silly. That's so silly.
Not good for my risk. True.
I don't know whether this is gonna come back. Yes, it's still not rebalanced though, so it potentially should. I mean, let's balance so from there. And then up. Oh, we did rebalance. Ow. Okay, we did rebalance. Let me rethink this entry then. I want to enter there. And probably do something like that, maybe. Because that did rebalance. I thought that did not rebalance, but it did from this candle.
Yeah.
So try something like that. Bench. I'm gonna definitely give it enough room. That's fine. I hate ES. It's so much harder to trade, I feel. Yeah. Dun, 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 like the desert is the rain. Come on, come rebalance so I can get a little entry. This is on an eval, by the way. I want to just reiterate. Oh, that rejection zone played out so nicely. I just did not draw my limit correct. Now we're just fucking flying. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna try it that low. I shouldn't sweep that low if ES is more bullish. So we'll try. I think we're gonna come up here, maybe put in an S&T and then see the reversal to a London low is what I'm thinking. So I just want to try and catch some sort of continuation. On 50k evals, I tend to risk pretty heavy. This is the max amount of ES minis that I can use. You can only use 4 minis on a lucid eval, so I'm just going in with max minis. But I wouldn't risk more than 1,000. I'll usually do I'll try and do 1 to 1.5 hour trades on an eval just to do it like. Circle. Aww. Thing does not want to rebalance on ES. This is kind of sad. Come on. Ugh. Obviously, if it takes the high before rebalancing, then I will delete the limit. As my bias would then be bearish. Not for me, that one. Good, well done. Oh, God. Anything. All right. What do I think of TJR? I don't really have an opinion on him, to be honest. Like, I've never watched his videos or anything, so I feel like I just don't have a valid opinion. I don't know. Like, I didn't get... A lot of people got into trading through TJR, but I just personally didn't. Me, personally...
I've never watched a TGR video in my life.
Yeah, me neither.
Actually, that's like I watched one of his like day in the life ones.
Did you? Was it good?
I was bored.
It was aight. Until we got...
That would have been nice if we could get in, but ES don't like us today.
Yeah, why does ES hate us? To be fair, there literally was an entry, but I just didn't draw. Correct.
It didn't get me in.
Right there.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
No.
I had this drawn all the way to the bottom.
Did I draw? Because it missed me by a tick.
Low-key, this is gonna long bear. What?
Oh, where's my phone? Get back. I need to see what I was missing.
I'll talk about my fib level in a minute for sure. I just want to like see if this fills or not, because if it reaches the highs on ES before filling me, then I'll obviously delete the limit. What about Tori? I like Tori. She seems sweet. I only met her very briefly, but seems nice.
Yes. On this run, then.
Yeah, so because that first green candle at the bottom is balanced.
Yeah.
That's already balanced.
How?
Just draw it to the top wick of that candle.
Oh, shit, so I have to go from this one.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Okay, well, I'm gonna get in
I trade ES and NQ. Cause she has composure. Already controlled. I'm running in circles.
That's hella jarring.
I'm gonna put in a 5-minute gap here where 0.5 is inside. So, like, I have faith that this could potentially still fill, but I'm not 100%. We could just fly to these highs. TBH. But we'll see. Today's not my day, I feel. Maybe tomorrow. For sure, dog. Right, this better come down and rebalance right now. Please. I feel like it's not going to do that. I feel like it is just going to take the high. Which is so sad. It's okay to go. We're gonna come all the way back. I high key on my entry near 0.618 and 0.5. I need to get better at realizing which candles are balanced. I'm really bad at it. Where to start? I actually don't really know because I'm not qualified to really teach. I mean, I've posted 2 trade recaps on my YouTube channel, which is obviously free, and I plan to post another one today because I took this insane trade before. I'll show you if you weren't on the stream. I took this trade early this morning. So I'm gonna break down that trade because this is like the best trade that I've ever taken in my whole life. So I'm gonna make a YouTube recap for that. So maybe watching that is the best place to start. I don't really know. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, I'm starving. And I need coffee. Yes. Is it just the two of you trading that strat? Yeah, in my Discord, everyone trades like all sorts of different stuff. It's just like a beginner trader community rather than like, yeah, it's like more of a beginner trader community rather than me teaching anything. So, yeah, it's pretty much only me. And Hannah, obviously. Yeah, this is boring. I want this to fill me. Oh my gosh. Okay, we actually just got filled. Finally, that took a while. Oops. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Oh. 0.03 risk to reward trade. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I'm doing. There we go. He has composure. Already can. How much should I risk on this trade? I do not know. Risk 650. Let me do some maths. Oh, okay. She has composure. Already controlled ya. Oh, I got cap lock on. Let's try to sell 3 at these highs and then try and hold one. Possible. Oh, did we hit my 1 RR? Did we hit it? We were 1 point away. I'm just gonna allow it because it was an eval. That might be silly, but if this is a funded, I'd be going break even because it did technically hit my 1 RR point, which is like my break even point, but maybe I'm being silly. Maybe I should just go break even now. I don't know. I didn't technically hit my 1 RR though. Like we were 0 points away. Okay. Maybe I should. I don't know. Should I go break even? I feel like I'll be pissed at myself if I don't. So let's just do it. Still gotta abide by the rules, kind of, on an eval. We put in an S&T, so I'm with that low. So I'm hoping that we're gonna just like push higher from my hope. But Claudia, call Trump to hook you up with another W day. I high key do need to. Okay, I would be break even now anyways, so damn. Holy shit. Flying. I'm gonna drag this in profit a bit so that I don't get like negative on this trade. What is going on? What is this volatility, by the way? Oh my gosh, what? Holy shit. What is that about? Oh dear. Alright, well I'm happy I went break even because what the heck is this? 834. And you literally jinxed Trump, you know. I'm convinced that that was Trump. Not come through yet, but I'm convinced. What the heck was that? AJ called him. What is this?
Holy shit.
I thought we were definitely gonna hit TP. Like, I was pretty confident.
I think it would have if it was off then.
Damn. That's so rough. All right, we didn't lose any on this trade. I did lose 1,000 this morning though, because I'm an idiot. Yeah, I was risking quite heavy.
That's okay.
Damn. All right, whatever. That's fine. Okay, I guess we don't want to take that. I'm convinced that that's Trump. Oh, we took London low. Okay.
AJ was timed out for 10 seconds.
Why was AJ timed out? Oh, because he called Trump. Yeah, literally, Trump, like, breathed. Alright, well, that's that. That's that trade. Yeah, I want to just journal that real quick. Okay, boom. I'm just sending these into the Discord. If you guys just see random images in the Discord, they're for my journaling. Alright, well, okay. I don't really know what to say to that. Just go. Bugged. Okay, we have this -4. I'm fairly sure I had a couple fibs down here, honestly. Oops. Okay, not that one though. I'm running in circles. You're my folly clover. Fuck this PA, what the heck is this? What the heck is this about?
Good.
See if this rejection area holds, and if not. I don't even know whether I would want to trade this. This is too crazy.
I'm out. I'm done.
You done?
I'm done. I'll go on tilt or something.
That's actually so peak. I'm happy you didn't take that trade. I feel like that would have pissed you off so bad.
I genuinely have had to get up and go.
That Trump's speaking? I didn't even know he was speaking. No, it says he's speaking at 3:15 today. Not speaking right now.
That should honestly be a red folder, not an orange.
Yeah, how is Trump speaking an orange folder? Are we being for real? Oh. Dumb. That's sad, guys. We should all be sad, because I think that was gonna hit, but then Trump ruined my life. You're my folly clover. Speaking live on financial juice? I don't think so. I can't see anything. Oh. Oh, damn, you're so correct. I see it now. Yeah, you're right. Thanks for sending me that. I feel like I just need to get off the charts now. I feel like I'm done for the day. Like, I don't feel tilted at all. Like, I feel fine. But I just feel like I've taken like 3 executions now, one of which I was in for like 2 hours. I feel like I'm just done on the charts right now, to be honest. Unless we see a green candle. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, I feel like I'm just done for the day. I feel like now's a good time to hop off, especially if Trump is on one. I'd rather not be involved. Yeah, gonna film a trade recap about this trade that I took. As I said, this 11R bottom tick longs that I took this morning. Gonna film a trade recap for that. So make sure to watch that. That's gonna be up on YouTube like either today or tomorrow. I'll get that out as fast as I possibly can. So watch out for that. I appreciate you guys tuning in today. And I'll hopefully see you guys same time tomorrow. We're gonna be running some Lucid giveaways throughout the week, so stay tuned for that. I'll start running those tomorrow and mainly Friday. Friday is our giveaway day. Fridays tend to be a little slower. Oh wait, no, we're gonna do them all tomorrow because it's bank holiday on Friday, so no stream on Friday. But tomorrow we'll run some Lucid giveaways and stuff, so make sure to be there so you don't miss out. Appreciate you guys for tuning into today's live stream, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.